Everybody's on.
Hi, Mahmudul. How are you?
Hello Shoaib, I'm doing great. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so already our CEOs are like introduction of our company's policy and what we need.
Hmm.
So like I will take your technical round. So my first question to you, like can you differentiate between static and dynamic content in a web application? Like we have to use like dynamic content and sometimes we have to use like static content in our website. Can you just differentiate?
Okay, so dynamic content and static content they can be various even in one application. There can be some pages with static data that doesn't change that much. That means there can be they can be all statically set up during the development, and even after deploying, they won't change that much. And then we also have some dynamic content. That means the content of that page can dynamically change. For example,
Mahmoud, the answer is rejected. You are continuously giving the whatever is called explanation and definition. So answer will be giving an example. Contact us page. In this page, I have some verbiage. These are the static, and I have a form. This is actually the my API driven. So when the form is completed, this actually go to the CRM team to complete this. So this is the page. One of the example I have done. This is the static and the dynamic. Simple, short and sweet. I don't need the definition. We're not sitting there. Here the definition. You got it?
yes, I
Exact.
got it. I was coming to the product page. So
No,
okay,
I,
I'll start over.
yeah, this guy, the guy who is asking, they know. They already know.
Yeah, I
So it
know.
has to be uh, 30 seconds, maybe the definition. Boom,
Mm-hmm.
hit the ground immediately. Got it? Where
Okay,
you?
okay,
Thank you. Yeah, continue.
okay. So okay, thank you. So to differentiate between static and dynamic contents, so static content is the content remains static whenever we deploy something. For example, let's say we have an about page in our application. So in that page, the data may be static, so it won't change that much during our after our deployment. So in that case, we'll use the static content for that application. And for then dynamic content, the content of that application it changes with depending on user interaction or the route. For example, if we have a dynamic product page, so depending on the product's ID or user interaction, the data will change. That means the structure of the data will be same, but the data will actually change. So in that case, we use the dynamic data for that page or dynamic content.
Okay, so in our website, like we want to build a like blogging page. So
Mm-hmm.
like which one do you recommend? Like static or dynamic?
Okay, so for blogs, of course, I would suggest dynamic content because the blogs might be written from an admin panel, or there can be a different route to write the blogs. So the data structure of the blog would be the same, but the data will change. So I will use dynamic content for that.
Okay. So okay, thank you for your answer.